Hello, my name is Saurav Vatva and this is our channel Tax Accountant, where we try to explain the accounting concepts and taxation concepts. So today I'm going to cover this topic called profit and loss account. Now this profit and loss account is also known as statement of comprehensive income. So if you are new to accounting, a small business owner, or you want to understand this concept of profit and loss, think about it as just a sheet. It's telling you your income and expenses and how much money you got at the end in your pocket. Compare that to a bank statement. Bank statements also explain exactly the same thing, whereas in one column you have money coming in through your customers, or if you're an employee, salary and wages. If you're a student, then student allowance coming in this end, and the expenses going out, shopping, takeaways, fuel expense, coming out from there. So think about from that perspective. Now putting into the concept, we have something called GAAP. So GAAP is this is how it says. GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. If each country start making different set of profit and loss account, then no one will understand like what's making. So one is GAP's generally accepted accounting principles. So then this organization is telling everyone, hey, just follow the same concept. Profit and loss account is something very basic account. What happened is there were different names emerged in last 10 years or so, but then recently everything stopped. No, let's keep it bare minimum, bare simple for small business owners. Let's call it profit and loss account, because we want to go to the basics and get that right. So in the first, in profit and loss accounts, of course, it's going to show you your sales. Now this is something very simple. Now this person, if you see, we're talking about only rental. So this is a rental. So rental means the rent income coming in, 43,000, and the expenses going out from that. So different kind of expenses could be there. If your rental profit and loss account, it would be accountancy fees, bank charges, depreciation, insurance, interest, management fee, rates, repairs, phone, water. So those sort of expenses can be there. Now if it's the rental income is 43,000 and expenses are 54,000, of course it's a loss. So first concept, look at that. Now slightly more, if it's let's say it's a business. So business, think about it and what business will happen. So there will be a specific date, right? So this is profit and loss prepared for what date? So generally it's prepared for 12 months, depending on the calendar year or financial year. Financial year can run from 1st July to 30th June. In this case, it's running from 1st April to 31st March for next year. You will always have comparatives. So comparatives is from this period, we're comparing it to previous period. So in this concept, we are showing 2024 versus 2023. So 12 months together, right? Again, similar thing, it will have sales, which would be a trading income. Then any materials purchased by your business. So cost of sales, material purchased and things. And any other income. Yes, there is some interest income, and again expenses underneath. So that could be any expense. Think about if it's a business, what business need. So whatever expenses, it could be different buckets. So the different buckets happening: vehicle expense bucket, repairs and maintenance bucket, wages and salaries bucket, entertainment bucket, office expense bucket, software and licensing. So different kind of buckets going on there. So end of the day, hey, it's a no profit no loss situation where expenses equal to income. There is a concept called shareholder salaries, so which we will cover in some other thing, right? Now, any non-deductions? Deductions could be something non-deductible, such as if you paid for some fines and penalties and things, that could be non-deductible expenses. So this is a concept for profit and loss. Now think about it as something bigger organization. So first I showed you just a small rental return, then a concept for a small business owner. A third concept could be slightly business. There will be fourth concept as well, which I'll tell you slightly. Now in this, everything is in the notes because the numbers are too big, so we can't put the whole lot into there. So we calling statement of comprehensive income. So same thing, it's a profit and loss, but a different concept. Here we're talking about sales, but for sales, go to note number 4. So note number 4 set of financial statements will have what is the sale comprise of. So there will be 5 or 6 different categories which accounts to that. Again, we're showing comparatives versus last year, 2024 versus 2023. Cost of delivery, which is gross profit, basically sales minus your cost, which is a variable cost, which is cost of sales. So this is a gross profit, and any expenses happens after that. So we put those expenses into just the 3 buckets. As you can see, first bucket is administrative expenses, second bucket is finance, marketing expense, and occupancy expense. So everything is put into just these buckets, and you want to know more about these. Hey, what's $7.8 million? What's inside? So go to note number 5 of financial statements that will comprise of that. Then it talks about profit before tax is this much, and then you pay income tax on that is this much, and so net profit for the year is that less income tax 1.9, and so 1.9 will be attributed to your statement of comprehensive income. So this will go towards the equity. What it means is the shareholders has this much of money available to them, coming to them. There's a fourth concept which I'll make a different video on that. So there is how to do the analysis of a company. So if company is a listed company such as Tesla or Apple or any company, so how do you understand their set of profit and loss account? How do you understand earnings per share, how much money this company is making, and how much money should be available to the shareholders. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you like this video, and for new videos like that, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.